cry. It's not going to be bird season anymore because the birds are already dead. Just because you guys and everybody else. I love birds. They're my favorite animal, even dogs and cats and bunnies. I love everything. I especially love birds the most. Birds are my favorite animal, even dogs and cats. Everything's my favorite animal. Everything's my favorite. Why do you have to kill them? Why do you have to kill animals? Why? 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 Why do you have to kill them? They're so cute and cuddly. They walk cute. They're so cute. And you guys have to kill them. Why, JP? I thought you loved everything. But no, you don't. You hate birds. They kill birdies.
What's wrong?
They kill birdies.
What do you mean?
They kill birds. I don't want. I'm crying because they cut me the head off.
What do you mean they cut their head off?
No, they're having their head off. They're killing birdies.
And why are you dressed up in your camouflage then?
Because Daddy told me to.
You'll be fine. You're going to eat the birdie in a little while. You're going to eat the bird in a little bit. They're going to put it in bacon and put it in the barbecue pit.
I don't want them to kill birds. I don't want them to.
You're fine. You'll be okay. God made a lot of birds so that way that we can, as long as you eat them and don't just kill them for anything just to lay there, no, that's wrong. But if you're going to shoot them and then you're going to feed yourself with them, then that's okay.
I don't want to. I love birdies.
You'll be fine.